Hi, my name is Toni Pegram. I live in Pine Island, Minnesota, and I work at Zumbrota Mazeppa Primary School as a special education paraprofessional. I live with my boyfriend Ryan and our 6-year-old son, Azriel. We also have 4 dogs and 1 cat. This is our Springer Spaniel River, our Old English Bulldog Everest, our cat Minnie Mouse, our English Mastiff Oakley, and our Chihuahua something something mix Denver. In my free time, I really love going fishing and kayaking, hiking, camping, anything that I can really do to be outside. I grew up in Fort Myers, Florida, so being near the water is kind of my happy place. This picture of the deer in the top left-hand corner here is one that I took when we were camping in the Wisconsin Dells at Deer Park just a few weeks ago for our son's birthday. It's really cool. You can walk through the park and just feed the deer, and they come right up to you and eat out of your hand. So that was probably one of my favorite experiences that I've had going camping so far. Also, another thing that takes up a huge chunk of my time outside of raising a very active 6-year-old boy and working full time in school is that I own a business called Riverside Pet Supply Company where we make all natural homemade dog treats and some other cool things. And I do recently, I've kind of found a love for reading. I love reading children's books to my son. Working at a school, you end up reading a lot of books that way. I don't really have a lot of time to read on my own. It is something that I do enjoy doing recently. Growing up, though, in high school, middle school, I absolutely hated it. I just felt like I couldn't concentrate, and I just had to keep restarting the page because I couldn't pay attention long enough to get through it. So, but it is something that I do like doing nowadays. So that's pretty much it. That's everything about me. Thanks so much for watching.